and get a free new tools inside hidden, guys. Here, this is the $199 deal. So another tool you can choose for free, which new Milwaukee deals just dropped. Yes, new Milwaukee, not these, by the way. And some other ones. New Milwaukee deals just dropped at the stores, at the Home Depot, guys, for the holiday, the Memorial Day weekend or week, however you want to say it. But yeah, let's go ahead and start. We're going to start with the older ones, and then we're going to move on to the newer ones. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Also, don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, to start here, we got the pack out deals. Basically, you guys seen this before. I'm not going to go over all of them. But $149 qualifies for you to get this for $1. So $29.97, it is the value that you're going to get. And then this is $250. You have to qualify up to $250 of product pack out to get that for basically $1, not for free. And then this one's a buy one get one free. So you buy any of these and get a mounting bracket for free. So you either the $39.97 or the $49.97. These are really nice, by the way. They do have a lot of stuff in there, different ways to drink and all that stuff, lids and stuff. That is, yes, guys, these are the new deals. They just dropped. There's some new tools inside hidden, guys. They're hidden inside. All right, so the $299 will get you two 6-amp-hour batteries. This does qualify for any of these tools. You got the router, you got the jigsaw, the hammer drill, the inflator. That thing's a beast, the inflator. Yes, guys, that is the new blower. You guys didn't know that, but now you know. That is the new blower. It is an upgraded blower from the last one. The last one was a 450 CFM. This one's 500 CFM. You can get the rocket lamp, which is an excellent value there. And then the another one that's really rare is that grease gun right there, the auto grease gun. You got the vacuum, the impact wrench. That is the mid torque impact wrench. Angle grinder, one-handed reciprocating saw, sander, reciprocating saw, impact driver. That is the new Gen 4 impact driver, or the newer Gen 4 oscillating tool. So there's a lot of good stuff here to choose from. I'll show you guys in a second what each tool looks like. This is the starter kit that you have to buy. Again, these are two 6-amp-hour battery, high output batteries, and a charger. And then this is the lower tier. This is the $199 deal. It does come with the 5 and a 2-amp-hour battery, and it does qualify you for a free tool. You can get the impact driver, the reciprocating saw. These are non-brushless tools except for that impact driver and that one-handed reciprocating saw there at the bottom. The rest of them are brushless. I don't know exactly about the vacuum, but the oscillating tool is the older. It's not the fuel, and sander is older as well. All right, so definitely choose the better tool, especially that vacuum is really nice, and the impact driver with this kit. All right, so on the upper tier, you can get any of these for free. These are the hammer drill, router, and jigsaw. These tools are valued at $199. Obviously, you want to choose the higher end products, or the higher the price, the best bang for your buck, basically, on that $299 product. All right, so that is the hammer drill, and then you got the router there at the middle section, and then the jigsaw at the very bottom. So those are very, very nice tools, very professional, very good tools for the field. You get a paddle switch angle grinder for $199, and then you got the inflator. I do have that inflator. That thing's a beast. There's a freaking fly here. It's a fruit fly that's roaming around me. But yeah, that inflator, guys, this thing's a beast. My brother has another one just like this one, that inflator. He uses that for his 18-wheeler, guys. Yeah, he uses the 12-amp-hour batteries and the 8-amp-hour batteries for that 18-wheeler. Top it off. You got a $249 for the mid-torque impact wrench. That thing's a beast, guys. You don't need a high-torque impact wrench with that thing. That thing will take just about anything off. If it doesn't take it off, then it's probably too tight to, but then after that, you probably need the high torque. Impact wrench there at the top, and you got the grease gun there at the bottom. Pretty nice tools. Definitely recommend these. And guys, this is the new blower. Yes, it looks just like the other one, but it is the new blower. And that's how you know it's the new blower. It's 500 CFM. The older one was 450 CFM. Everything else just seems to be about the same. Maybe some little bit cosmetic changes, but yeah. 229. This one's available as to get for free with the $299 kit. Definitely recommend this one. Has a lot of power. It is battery hungry, by the way. I would say a minimum is a 6 amp hour, 8 amp hour, and 12 amp hour batteries are recommended with that one. All right, for the lower tier, you got the free tools, oscillating tool, sander, and the reciprocating saw. I do have that sander. It works pretty good. It's decent. You get a lot of vibrations, obviously, because it's an older tool, but it does its job. $39.88 for 8-piece multi-tool bit sets, and the 5-piece multi-tool for $29.88. So there's different ones. You got the multi-material, plastic, metal, wood, and then you got another one right there. That is the oscillating tool that you can get for free with the lower tier. That is not the non-fuel. That is the brushed unit. Same thing with that reciprocating saw. It's a saw. And then you got the one-handed reciprocating saw, which this one is fuel. And you can get that one with the same thing with that impact driver. It is fuel and brushless. You can get that with the lower tier as well. So these are definitely solid tools. That impact driver is a beast. If you guys haven't seen that thing in action, make sure you guys check out my videos. I do versus videos with other tools, manufacturers, DeWalt's, and all those. And check it out. Here is the vacuum you guys could choose. This is another tool you can choose for free, which I definitely recommend it. All the vacuums, the portable vacuums, are pretty solid from Milwaukee. I personally do have the pack out. It's pretty strong for the size. And then you got the accessory tips here. You can choose any of these. A lot of these they do have brushes at the end, so they can clean out a little bit better, get that dirt loose on the carpets and stuff. And then you got the crevice tool. It's great for cars and stuff like that. And that is the 2-gallon wet and dry vacuum. Pretty solid on that one. And here's the other tool that I personally do have. That one works pretty good. All right, you got the gloves here, or the $17.97, your choice here. You got the vest and the safety glasses, or $19.97 for the work gloves. I do love these gloves. These are gloves especially for demolition. If you guys are doing that, or hard work, or yard work on the outside, shovels, hammers, and all that stuff, that is perfect for that. Those are the safety glasses and the vest. Then you got these gloves for $16.88, 4 pair. $169 for the 2-2 combo. I believe those tools are not or brushless. They are brushless, by the way. They're the older ones. All right, so some more deals. You got a 50-pack of general purpose blades. These are all $10.97, by the way. 12-pack of point sight markers. Those are really nice with ink saw. All right, so that is the 10-pack or the 50-pack of blades, utility blades. They do come with a nice case. And then you got the 11-in-1 multi-bit. All these are $10.97, guys. These are one of the ones that I love using because they mark on pretty much everything, including brick, even on dirt, almost on dirt, rocks and all that. They don't have to be clean. They still mark. All right, so you got a rafter square. This is 4.5. It is the smaller one. Keep that in mind. And then you got the chalk and the refill. Chalk line. All right, something new, or at least for the deals. You got 8-piece folding hex key set, S8 or metric. These are all $14.97. 25-foot tape measure and the 6-in-1 pliers. All right, so pretty decent deals on these. Actually, pretty good deals. So on these, you're gonna look at the numbers. If you see a solid number like that, is metric, and that is 8-piece. So everything's in there. So you won't lose it, and it's really nice, high visibility. It's all metal casing. So pretty nice. That's the way it looks. Let's look at the other one so you guys can tell the difference. All right, the other one is a 9-piece. If you guys look at the package, that's how you can tell the difference. 9-piece. And if you guys look at the numbers, you got the fractions. So 1/4 inch, 7/32, 7/32, and 3/16, stuff like that. All right, you got the tape measure here, really nice to see and pretty clear. And you got the 6-in-1s. with the rubber grips. And then, of course, you're going to get the 2-pack of fastbacks. Definitely recommend these. These are must have in every garage, every work truck. So, all right, onto this section here. You got the cooling towel for $988, $19.97 for your choice. Any of these. Hard hat, safety glasses. Those are my favorite glasses, by the way. I still use them. Sunshade. I think I got like a couple pairs left on that one since the time they were in clearance. $33.97 for the earmuffs. So that is the towel, and then you got the hard hat. Yeah. $4.99 for the 7-tool combo kit. Guys, these are all brush tools. I would stay away from something like this unless you're a DIY. Even a pro guy, somebody that's doing handyman work can use them, but I would definitely try to invest in a brushless platform. All right, so you got the forged lithium. These are the new batteries, or the newer batteries, not new, but they were newer. And then you got the newer supercharger, 6 times faster. And then you got some more tools here. $179 for the rotary hammer, job start radio $149, cut off grinder, paddle switch $129, reciprocating saw $119. So that is one of the newer tools. That job site radio is one of the newer ones. So let's take a look at real quick. It does have 2 speakers there on the front. It says Bluetooth job site radio. It says, and yeah, 2 speakers there on the front. All the buttons on the front, and does have some nice protection on all corners. All right, so 350 LED headlamp, $29.97, and then you got some other rover lights. And then your choice of these 2 for $99. You got headlamps and pivoting floodlights and USB. So that is the one of the headlamps that they offer. It does come with the USB charging cable and headband. And that is the 350 lumen here at the bottom. Then you got the rover lights at the bottom. So those are really nice lights. All right, on this one, you buy any of the ones on the left and get a free either top off or a 2-amp-hour battery. So really recommend the top off. I use that. It does have a USB Type C and USB Type A, fast charger on that one. All right, so $199 for the tool combo kit. One-handed reciprocating saw for $149. That is the kit. $129 for the barrel style jigsaw. That is one of the newer tools. And then $99 for the circular saw. $99 and $79 for the starter kit. And then you got the drill bit sets for $29.97. All right, that is the 5-amp-hour high output battery. It's one of the newer batteries out there. You got the 2-tool combo kit there, the impact driver and drill driver. And then you got the one-handed reciprocating saw kit. And then you got the drill bits. So 10-piece. All right. So let's look at the kit there, and you got the cutoff there to the right. So cutoff tool. And circular saw there at the bottom, barrel style jigsaw at the bottom left. All right, you got some accessories here for your hard hats, for your safety. You got the bolt-on earmuffs, or bolt, 24 dB earmuffs. And then you got a face shield there. These are all $69.97. And then $33.97 for the earmuffs and $19.97 for the. All right, you got some work skin shirts from the Milwaukee, $24.97 and $29.97 for the long sleeve. So I definitely recommend the long sleeve if you guys are working outside, protect yourself from the sun. $4.98 for the build outs accessory hook for the Husky. And then you got the shirts there for the Milwaukee. All right, onto this section here. You got $49.97 for the pack outs and the 70-piece bit driver. All right, so $29.88 for the Shockwave Impact Duty 30-piece. That does come with the right angle adapter. That's actually not a bad deal, guys. That's actually pretty good. Those are the right angle adapters are expensive. All right, so that is the 70Ps with the pack out. I really love what pack out did with their bits and their cases, because you are able to store all the they fit in there perfectly. All right, so those are the safety glasses. Those are the ones that I use. The one of the ones that I use. These are the clear. They do have a tinted. And then that's the tag for a respirator. It's on the wrong section, by the way. And then you got some gray shirts there at the back. I did not get a price for those gloves, by the way. They kind of mix and match the sections there. You got the hard hat there for $19.97, and the Diablo blades for $12.88. Yeah, I know I said it Milwaukee only, but it's they were in the section. Why not throw them in there? You got a 129 for the 3/8 ratchet, 119 for the 2/2 combo kit. Those are not brushless, by the way. Those are brushed. You got a 2 batteries 2-pack for $99 and whole saw there for $29.97. Those are the 2 batteries, 3 amp-hour batteries, the whole saws, and then you got the hacksaw reciprocating saw, $99 for the kit. The screwdriver kit for $79. 2-pack of 1.5 amp-hour batteries. Those are very light, very small, especially for the drills. $69 and $24.97 for the saw. All right, that's the 100 reciprocating saw, which is the non-fuel, by the way. It is brushed. And then you got the reciprocating saw blades. It does come with an axe and a torch. So pretty nice metal and wood. So there's different ones in there. It does come with the blade holder. That's pretty nice. All right, guys, that's it for today. Just like I said, I just want to show you guys all the Milwaukee deals. I'll see if I can make a video for tomorrow, either Home Depot or Lowe's. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.